What up, YouTube? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sherry. Thank you so much for being here today. Today I have for you my Allure Beauty Box for June 2019. I am excited to get into this box and let you know what we got. If you are not familiar with the Allure Beauty Box, I believe it's $14.99. I've been getting it for $10 because I threatened to unsubscribe, and so they gave it to me for 4 months for $10, but I think it's $14.99 plus tax ordinarily. But either way, this month we have this little pamphlet in here as usual that gives information and coupon codes, promo codes for the products that are in the bag. We have a $20 gift card to Bobble Bar. We have a summer glow guide, another $20 gift to Bobble Bar, and another pamphlet. So apparently they thought I was extra special, or they accidentally put 2 sets of cards in my bag. But anyways, this is what the bag looks like this time. It's another one of the ones that has a little flap that slides down into a little strap. Lime green, pretty good for summer. I kind of like this one. I haven't been a big fan of these bags, but this one is nice and springy and summery, and I like the color. So maybe I won't be hating on it this time. So I'm going to go in here, take everything out, unbox it for the sake of saving time, and then I will get in here, show you the products, let you know a little bit about them, and we'll be on our merry way. The first product we have is from Brow Gal. It is the Brow Gal Eyebrow Pencil. It says a lot of brow pencils are so creamy they can look fake. Not this one. It has the perfect waxy consistency for creating believable fullness that's not too heavy or too uniform. I always focus more color on my arches than on the rest of my brows, which is a tried and true makeup artist trick for achieving natural looking gradation and avoiding the dreaded angry brow look. Do I have an angry brow look? Do I have an angry? Do I look angry? Let me stop. Price is $23. You can buy it at thebrowgal.com. If you'd like to get a discount, enter Allure 19 at checkout to receive 10% off your order through August 31st. My shade is medium brown. Right on. It's got a little sharpener on the cap, which is pretty groovy. Let's check out the color. Ooh, pretty dark for me. But every time I get a brow product that's too dark for me, I do like to make the outer end of my brow darker. So I use that on the end, and then I use a lighter color on the inner part. Let's see what's on the, oh, it's got a spoolie on the other side, so it's all inclusive. It is pretty waxy, but I prefer a waxier eyebrow pencil because it gives me more control. So very cool. Next is from Moroccan Oil. It's the Moroccan Oil treatment for hair. It says my processed hair drinks up this silicone-based oil, so even if I accidentally put on too much, the effect is never greasy when my hair is damp. Uses the fingers to rake quarter-sized blob into the roots, from the roots to the end, to tame flyaways and frizz. After blow drying, smooth on a nickel-sized blob, focusing on the ends. And on the days that you don't wash your hair, on the mornings that you wake up looking crazy, put a couple of drops in the hair to weigh the hair down. I don't need any hair weighing down, but I do like hair oils. The retail price is $44, and it's available at Sephora. It smells like vanilla. It smells absolutely delicious. I am all about the hair oils because I put so many alcohol-based hairsprays, especially in the ends of my hair that I curl right here, that curls up under my bun, that it gets really dry, and if I use oils in it, it helps. Next is Eau Thermale Avene Thermal Spring Water. It is a retail price of $18.50. It's available at AVENEUSA.com. There is a promo code Allure20 at checkout to receive 20% off the order through August 31st. It says this hydrating facial mist will be in my purse from now till Labor Day. I take it everywhere because it's great for soothing hot, irritated skin, aka my face all summer long. The can is filled with thermal spring water from Avene, France, hence the name. The water there is naturally rich in minerals to help nourish sensitive skin like mine. And it's fragrance free because it's basically just water, but I can see like keeping this in the refrigerator and then taking it with you when you know you're going to be outdoors and it's super hot, just to give yourself a nice mist. I don't see why you would want to pay $18.50 for a bottle of water when you could just get a spray bottle and put some bottled water in it and spray it on your face. Maybe the French water is super wonderful compared to any other kind of water, but I can't imagine that it would be worth $18.50. Just my 2 cents. Next is from Floss, and it's called My New Favorite Lip Gloss. We'll see about that, Floss. Don't be telling me how to live my life. Alright, it says, I've been hoarding lip gloss like it's $19.99, and Floss, my new favorite lip gloss, has lived up to its name. Here's how. The formula is thin, so it feels lightweight and comfortable on the lips. The doe foot applicator spreads the gloss on easily without creating a sticky mess. And the tube is squeezable, so you can use every single drop of product. But the most winning feature has got to be the shine factor, which is somewhere between a sheen that's more versatile than a full-on lacquer effect. So it retails for $16. It's available at flosscosmetics.com. The promo code is Allure15 at checkout to receive 15% off your entire order through September 30th. Alright. It smells like cake batter. I'm tempted to put it on my lips, but every time I do that with the doe foot and I have on a liquid lipstick, I get it on the doe foot and then it kind of corrupts it. So what I'm going to do is take some, put it on my finger, and just kind of dot it over my lip and see. Let me find my mirror. Where's Mr. Pineapple Head? Mr. Pineapple Head is always nearby to save the day. Ooh. I need more though. That might be a good thing. It doesn't have any color, and so it's not going to change your lip color, but it did give a little bit of moisture and a little bit of shine, kind of a satin look to my liquid lipstick. So if I have liquid lipsticks that I love the color, which I do, but I don't necessarily want the dryness, that happens a lot, this might be something really good, just a dot over it, just to put a little bit of moisture in there and a little bit of shine without interrupting the liquid lipstick. So cool, I like that. Next is from Context. It is Context Vitamin C All Day Eye Cream. It retails for $35. It can be purchased at contextskin.com. Enter Allure25 at checkout to receive 25% off your entire order through August 1st. So, Vitamin C All Day Eye Cream. I have like 3 eye creams open, so I'm not going to open this for now, but I do like the idea of a Vitamin C eye cream because Vitamin C is known to brighten. Let's see what it says. It says, so it's slightly cooling, and it says, where has this slightly cooling, never irritating eye savior been all my life? I love using it for midday touch-ups. Just squeeze out a drop and pat it over my 3 p.m. concealer. A few soft taps even out late day crustiness, wipe away mascara smudges, and generally make my eyes look happy and hydrated again. It's also a nice makeup base because, ignore the name, it's not a cream, it's a gel. It dries quickly but not tightly, and I notice slight depuffing and subtle brightening immediately after using it. Interesting, a gel under eye cream. Gel. Interesting. And I can't imagine putting an eye gel over concealer, but I'll try it. You never know if you never try it. And finally we have SGX NYC, the Do It All 3-in-1 Dry Texture Spray. So it says it's a dry shampoo that meets a hairspray. I do not see any other information about it, as in price or where it's located or anything like that. So maybe they aren't telling us that. All we have is that it's to texturize, volumize, and to refresh. Okay, you guys know I'm gonna spray it and smell it. If I spray it on my hair, it has to smell good. And it does. It smells delicious. Okay, and I love getting travel size for texture spray and dry texture spray because I don't like to take full sizes when I go places. You guys saw in my last video. I'll link it up there if you didn't see what I packed for my trip. I need the hair products to be small because I bring all the things, all the makeup. I am most excited about trying this. I'm glad to have another oil for the ends of my hair. I am excited to use this over my liquid lipsticks. This for summer, good, nice, refreshing, but I don't think it's necessary at all. And this smells good, helpful for travel. All that's a great thing. I can't come up with the right words, but that's okay because I'm done with this video. Thank you guys so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed seeing what I got in my Allure box for June 2019. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. It helps me out so much. You guys know I'm passionate about this YouTube thing, and I'm trying to grow this channel. I'm trying to succeed with this channel, and I would appreciate your help with that. So, until next time, take care and God bless. Bye, guys. The first product we have is from Brow blah 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 blah. Oh. It has the perfect waxy, and you can enter Allure 25 at checkout to receive 25% 25% to receive 25%. Let's start over.